Hey, what's up, Bitcoin coin holders? So what's going on this time, my friends? The Bitcoin price is dumps down. This is really bad news, my friend. And I think this video is very important for all of you to how we will get a profit in this month, my friends. We will going to do a technical analysis. Definitely, you will badly understand, my friends. To in upcoming time, the huge explosion is coming soon. Absolutely, my friends. The very huge explosion is coming soon. Now, for that, you will need, my friends, to watch this video to understand better, my friend. As you can see here, from last 7 days I am going to show you the last 1 week result. Minus 0.21%, the price is decreased. Now that's temporary and very short term. Remember, to the BTT coin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, everybody know this, but in this time, my friends, they will take a very bad dump now. So the reason was goes to holder. Absolutely, when a holder are starting holding, definitely the price will never fail down. But when a holder are starting selling, then remember, to the price is completely dumps down and they will never get a profit. So I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to please don't forget to starting my friend hold now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time BTT price will going to be double. They will give you a double to triple profit. So if you miss this chance, then remember, my brothers, you will never get a profit. First of all, if you are new in a crypto, my friend, you will need to follow my advice, my opinion. 100% you will get a profit, but please research personally. This is very important for all of you now, my friends. Expert says to in upcoming times the BTT price will be increasing because whether after a dump every coin will pumps up. So you can see they will dumps down here, but after that they will take a very huge jump. So therefore I hope to after this dump they will also take a very huge jump. So thanks for watching, BTT coin holders. My opinion, my prediction, my technical analysis, everything is going positive. I hope in upcoming time the BTT price will more increase. See you next time, holders. Kindly like video and subscribe channel.